Bottle filling line. Introducing the ultimate solution for your bottling needs. Our state-of-the-art bottle filling line. This innovative system is designed to elevate your beverage production to new levels of efficiency and precision. Watch as our automated machinery seamlessly transforms empty bottles into perfectly filled, sealed, and labeled products, all at incredible speeds. Our filling line is engineered with advanced technology to ensure consistent quality and minimize waste. From the initial rinsing and filling stages to the capping and labeling processes, every detail is meticulously controlled for perfect results. Experience the seamless integration now. Cutting-edge technology and robust machinery, designed to handle high volumes with unmatched reliability. Elevate your production process and take your brand to new heights with our bottle filling line. Discover the future of bottling today and watch your business grow with unparalleled efficiency and quality. Experience the future of bottling today.
Hengyuan focus on efficient packaging machines.